Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. First, let's rewrite the equation so that the left side of the equation has only x. To do this, we must eliminate minus 0.63 on the left side of the equation. So, let's add 0.63 to both sides of the equation. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we add a number to one side of the equation, we must add the same number to the other side of the equation. After adding 0.63, the left side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. Minus 4.2 plus 0.63 is minus 3.57. Now, this tells us that x is equal to minus 3.57. So, the answer is x equals minus 3.57.